I'm starting 75 hard tomorrow. The reason why I'm actually doing it this time, because I know I've tried like a million times, is because I realized that I low-key have been doing it in my life. Like I've been working out twice a day. I just drink a lot of water naturally. The things that I'm not doing that I want to do is read 10 pages every single day. I feel like I read, but I don't read 10 pages, so it'll push me in that aspect. It's gonna push me to post more because it's been a goal of mine to post, and I feel like if I have a challenge, then it's gonna be easy to post. Start tomorrow and I finish May 8th.